Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I trust that we're all staying safe. So this is a morning yoga section for beginners and it's quite easy. Please make sure that you're wearing something comfortable, not anything tight, and also pack your hair in a way that it won't disturb you while you are doing your yoga. So let's just get started. You start off with sitting in a traditional way on a mat and your two hands on top of your knee, with your two hands on your knee, and then we're going to take 3 deep breaths. You inhale deeply by pushing up forward your chest, your head backward, and exhale with your belly button in, push out your back. You do that 3 times. And then you place your hand on your side, sit up straight, and take the other hand, take it over your head, and just hang it up a bit on the air, and you breathe through your nose. You can stay on that position for a while before you switch to the other side. This will help calm your mind and strengthen your back. And this will help calm your mind and strengthen your back. Always remember to breathe through your nose. You place your left hand behind you and the right hand on top of your left knee, and you turn your back, sitting up straight and looking back as if you're looking at someone behind you, and you stay on that for a while, and you switch over to the other side. You stay on that for a while, and then you stretch out your legs to your front, push up your knee up a bit, your feet together, place both hands behind your back, and push up your chest, open up your chest, tightening your back, and you look up a bit, breathing through your nose, and stay on that posture for a while. This helps digestion and also to strengthen your back. Stretch out your legs flat in your front. Stretch and relax your leg on the mat. And then you stretch out slowly and steady. Stretch out your hands up to your toes. And let your hands slide under your feet. And you just relax your whole body. It helps relax your whole body and also helps improve digestion and release stress. It's very therapeutic for asthma. And then you pull back your legs to your traditional sitting position, back the way you were before. And now you pull out your hands forward and stretch as much as you can. Stretch out and just relax and stay there for a while. This will help strengthen your back. This will also help improve your digestion and relaxes your muscles. Then you come back up slowly. When you get to your knee, just hold down and take 1 deep breath, and then you come up all the way. Lie flat on your tummy, hands to your side, face down, and just relax all your body. And then you move your hands to the side of your body, flatten your hands on the ground and lift up your head up. Lifting up your head up, your tummy's up from the mat, and relaxing your hand on the ground. Make sure your weight is distributed evenly on both hands, and just stay like that for a while. This helps release stress and fatigue, and it's also therapeutic for asthma. And you can go down back to the position you were before, heads down, hands forward on your side, and just relax. And then you repeat this posture again. Hands to the side of your body, lift up your head, your tummy off the ground a bit, and just look up and stay on that posture for a while. Relax your body back on the mat with your heads down. Lift your hands to the side. Lift up your body, raise up your knees, both knees on the mat and your legs flat on the mat, and then you lift up one of your legs up straight with your toes on the mat while the other leg is flat on your knees and flat on the mat, and you stretch the legs that you lift up. This helps strengthen the muscles of your leg, helps strengthen your back. Make sure that your weights are distributed evenly on both hands. And then you switch and do that also to the other leg. One leg flat on the mat and the other one stretched out with your toes on the mat. And make sure you're looking up and forward. Breathe through your mouth and through your nose. And stay on that position for a while. Your both knees resting on the mat, your hands flat on the ground. You move your legs apart, put your hands flat and lift yourself up. Put your hands apart, open your legs a bit and bend your head in between your hands and your knee a bit forward and your whole body up. Distribute your weight evenly between your hands and your feet, and you bend your head in between your hands and just stay in that position for a while. This is very therapeutic for flat feet, and it also improves digestion. Very therapeutic for high blood pressure. And then you gradually adjust yourself halfway, close your hands close to your feet, and gradually you lift yourself up, gradually up. As you do that, make sure you breathe from your nose and from your mouth. And finally, lie on your back, your eyes closed, completely relaxed. Legs apart, hands open, lying on your sides. Lie completely relaxed. Relax all your body, relax your mind. Deep relaxation of your whole body improves blood circulation and relieves stress and tension. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.